Hey guys, this is your Kamna Jethmalani and I am super excited because I am in one of Hyderabad's favorite store, that is Selbe showroom, and also very exciting because in the month of August they are celebrating their 7th anniversary. A big congratulations to Mr. Sudeep and Suhas. I think these young people have really made it, and they have successfully opened 60 showrooms in and around Telangana. I think that's commendable. I feel very happy to say that today's young generation can also be so successful with their hard work and commitment and dedication. So big congratulations to both of you. And in the occasion of celebrating their 7th anniversary, Selbe is offering great offers, which Mr. Sudeep is good at telling. They are also offering a lot of freebies. So please do visit your nearby Selbe store to purchase your favorite brand phone. Not only that, they have a lot of brands under one roof. I guess they have Redmi, they have MI, they have Samsung, they have Oppo, they have Vivo, and they have a lot of accessories. I'm not able to remember right now. So many things under one roof. Can you imagine? So please do visit at your nearby Selbe showroom to pick up your favorite phone. And about the offers, Mr. Sudeep is going to continue.
I'm Suhas Nalacheru. I'm the Director of Strategy and Planning at Selbe. So today we are here at a Gachibowli location to unveil Xiaomi's latest smartphone series, which is the Redmi 12 series. So I would like to mention you all that this is the first launch of Xiaomi. This is going to be a global launch in India and across the world, which is going to be a market disruptor for the 5G industry. So the Redmi 12 series comes in two variants. One is Redmi 12 4G and other one is Redmi 12 5G. So both of these are premium looking smartphones with all the loaded features, and the market price is way below 15,000. So these are available in three colors. One is jade black, pastel blue, and moonstone silver. So coming to the pricing, Redmi 12 4G comes in two variants. One is 4GB RAM and a 128GB storage with a price point of 8,999, and the second variant is 6GB RAM with a 128GB storage with a price point of 10,499. And for Redmi 12 5G, there are three variants. The first one is 4GB RAM with a 128 storage with a price of 10,499, 6GB RAM with a 128 storage with a price of 12,499, and 8GB RAM with a 256GB storage with a price of 14,499. So we do have card offers for a limited period of time. If a customer purchases this phone with a ICICI Bank credit or debit card, the customer can get a cashback of up to 1,000 rupees. So the sale for this phones have already started. So please drop by your nearest Selbe store to grab this smartphone. And I wish you all a very happy advanced Independence Day. Looking forward to seeing you all in our Selbe stores. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sudeep Nalacheru, the Director at Selbe Mobiles and Electronics. So as my brother Suhas has told you about the pricing of the newly launched Redmi 12, which is available in 4G and 5G, I'll just give you a small brief about the specs of the mobile. So comes with a crystal black design and comes with a Snapdragon 4th Gen 2 processor, and it has a 90Hz refresh rate full HD screen. So at this price point, the mobile is extremely an amazing mobile. So guys, apart from this, August is our 7th anniversary month. So we have wonderful offers this month, such as if you buy a handset above 15K, you get a smartwatch at just rupees 499, and you get even 6 months OTS. That is one-time screen replacement. Supposedly you drop your phone, and if you crack your screen, we get it replaced at free of cost for you guys. So guys, visit our stores and avail your amazing offers. Thank you.
హలో, ఇవాళ మనం
No, I'm done.
కమలానాని జట్మలతో ఉన్నాము సెల్బైలో. కనుక్కుందాం మ్యామ్ ఎందుకు వచ్చారు ఏంటనేసి.
హాయ్ అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను మీ కామ్నా జెట్మలాని. నేను ఈరోజు హైదరాబాద్లో ఉన్నాను. ఐవ్ కమ్ హియర్ ఫర్ ద unveil of Redmi 12 smartphone. I just saw the phone and it's an amazing next gen smartphone. I think it's one of its kind smartphone. By looking at it, one would feel that it's an expensive phone, but I think it's a very very reasonable phone. It comes in 3 colors and I am so tempted to buy one myself. I wish the Selby showroom all the very best, and I hope they come up with many more stores.
వెరీ గుడ్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం మ్యామ్ యు ఆర్ కమింగ్?
No, I think second or third time. Yeah.
వెరీ గుడ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్.
Thank you so much.